so I've already read this. I've already read the Jamad Journal, and yeah, so sheep are here. Mysterious. They're the ones who send the mysterious bottles. All jammers can get pet roosters. It's an all pet rooster party for jammers with the pet rooster. New Year's fortune party, which I think is gonna be really fun because I wanna get stuff like gems and other items because I'm too lazy to buy stuff. But and then friendship armor, penguin kiss, and Arctic wolf, or just bumping their and the other stuff we know, like penguin sail and traveling dolphins, and then there's an annual gem box. And yeah, so that was my quick little thing. And as you can see, I have already bought a sheep, right? Okay. Closing my eyes. Okay, that's a different color. Last time I chose that same color and yellow. Wait, no, it was like that or something, but hang on. It was, yeah, that, okay, and everything's like really big on the darn thing, the sheep. Like, I just like the baseball cap, hang on. We're gonna be Sherlock Holmes. We're gonna be an investigator. No matter what any of you say. We're gonna be Mr. What the... Okay, then. So... I'm gonna have that colored tie. And... That's a really big shirt. I wish there was a way to defluff the sheep's wool. Oh my gosh. Tutu. Yeah. Okay. What does the mysterious cloak look like on it? Doesn't look like bad. Let's do that then. I know it's not Sherlock, but I don't care. Handle brace. Wrist watch. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. I don't see it. But anyway, so here is my quick sheep. That was very quick. It's like 2 minutes long. Wow. Okay then. So, and then we're going to do Fuzzy. Sammy. That's my dog. Sammy's my puppy. She's growling at someone. And someone's outside actually. And I thought that was black. That was just dark blue. Why is it dark blue? But it looks like it's black. Ugh, animal jam. Why? Oh, that's a cool rooster. That's very cool. Yes, feathers. I'm gonna stick with that. Comb. Stick with that and pattern. Ooh. Oh. I like that one. It's the original, but I don't care. Just gonna do what Pari does, and at least what he said he would do. And click it 3 times and see what I get. Giant toad. Yes, because it's very giant and it's a toad. I'm gonna change it to Fuzzy Titan because I love my Greek mythology and it's a Titan. Ooh, okay, so here is the certificate of adoption. Adopted January 19th, which is today, obviously. Personality is curious. I'm curious. Anyway, my favorite toy. Well, I'm saying its favorite toy is hang glider. I didn't know that was a toy. What was that? Favorite food is corn on the cob. Fuzzy! Come here. Come here. Sam. You're fine. Anywho, and so that's gonna wrap it up for today's quick. Yes, all the sheep looks fat. Anyway, that's gonna wrap it up. Sorry, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. My very quick dressing up a sheep. And yeah, bye.